gonna go over a couple of tips and tricks on how to create a plumped lip with some new glosses from Lancome. These are my ultimate tips and tricks on how to get beautiful, plump looking lips without the injections. So make sure to keep on watching. And also, this is in partnership with makeup.com. They're gonna have an amazing article on this, so make sure to check it out. I wanna show you guys a couple of tips and tricks on how I get my lips looking nice and plump without actually, you know, doing those injections. Because needles are not for everybody and they're not for me. First of all, our Cupid's bow always needs to be on fleek. I'm gonna start off by using my Fresh Lip Serum Advanced Therapy all over my lips. This is gonna help keep them healed and nice, and it does tingle just a little bit, so I feel like, I don't know if this is valid, but I feel like it does plump just a tiny bit. After that is dry, I'm going to apply just a little lip balm so that my lips are nice and smooth. This is also from Fresh. This is just their Advanced Therapy Lip Balm. And if you feel like you used a little bit too much lip balm, guys, just take a tissue and just pat some of it off. So to give the illusion of bigger lips, you guys know that I always overline my lips, but sometimes I just kind of do it out of habit, and sometimes I purposely do it. Let me show you how to purposely do it. So I have two lip liners here. I have a lighter one. This is the Lancome lip liner in the color Sheer Raspberry. And then I have the Urban Decay Nighthawk lip liner in Nighthawk. Did I say that? Urban Decay lip pencil in Nighthawk. And this one is a little bit darker than this one, and I'll show you why. I'm gonna start with my Lancome lip pencil. And it is more of like a sheer color, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow my lip line. And this is if you just kind of want to take it, you know, a little bit bigger and it be more natural of a change. So I'm taking it to the absolute edge of my lips. Once I get to the center, I'm going to go a little bit below. So this is great if you just want that little bit of change. So this color is fairly close to my actual lip color. So it really doesn't look like I did too much to my lips, but I did make them just a little bit bigger. But I'm gonna go a step further and show you guys what I do with the darker lip liner. So ombreing your lips is the #1 way I feel makes your lips appear bigger or just more juicy. So I'm gonna take my Nighthawk lip pencil and I'm gonna stay on the line on the edges. And this is just gonna help me keep the natural shape. So I wanna make sure that I'm staying on my actual lip line on the outside. And then as I move towards the center of my lips, I'm going to extend it. And to start the ombre, I'm gonna take a little lip liner to the outside. And here are the lips so far, already looking much bigger. So now for lipstick, I have a Lancome lipstick, and this is called Nude and Noir. I believe it's number 202, and this is their L'Absolute Rouge lipstick. And this is a much lighter color than the lip liner I used, and I'm just gonna apply this to the center. And then with the top part of the lipstick, I'm just rubbing that into the lip liner so that it can help me ombre the two colors together. And I can always go back in with my lip liner just to fix lines or add a little bit more of that darker color. And then finally, last but not least, I feel like a plumping gloss is just the topper of this lip. So we are going to use the brand new Lancome lip gloss, and this is in the color Luminescent. This is the Prismatic Plump, and it's so much prettier in person than the camera is making it out to be. It looks yellow, but actually when swatched on my hand, it's more of like a pink. So we're going to apply this just to the center of the lips. So not only is this gloss going to plump a little bit, but just putting it kind of in the center is going to help accentuate the center of my lips to make them appear even bigger. So here is a before of my lips, and here is the after. Alright, that's all I got for you guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was super informational. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Of course, as always, don't forget to hit the notification bell just so that you don't miss any of my tutorials or videos. And also, don't forget to subscribe and check out all of my other videos. Bye guys!